Now we'll say the trigonometric ratio at their value. When their angle is 0 degree, then 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. And how we can write their downside? Just we have to learn one only values of their sine theta. What is the value of sine theta? If you take sine theta, if it's 0 degree, then you will get answer 0. If you take sine 30, what is there? Sine 30, its value will get 1 and half. If you take sine 45, we'll get 1 upon square root 2. When we take the sine 60 degree, then what will we get? Square root 3 upon 2. Now this value we got after their explanation, after their proof, not directly. And last one, sine 90 is equal to 1. Just you have to remember this value. That is sine 0, 0, sine 30 degree, 1 upon 2, sine 45 degree, 1 upon square root 2, sine 60 degree, square root 3 upon 2, and 90 degree, 1. Now, just for cos theta, tan theta, easily we can write, what is 90 degree? No, write here 1. For 60 degree, it is just square root 3 upon 2. For this, 1 upon square root 2. Then, 1 upon 2, and here we will get the value 0. Okay. Now, when we have to find out the value of tan theta, so we learn already tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. This formula we have to apply here. Sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. So when we take 0 upon 1, we will get answer 0. Now 1 upon 2, here I am writing 1 upon 2 upon square root 3 upon 2. So now this is the numerator, it's denominator, denominator, sine denominator. That time what happens? We can take it 1 upon 2 into 2 upon square root 3. 2 1 are 2. We'll get answer 1 upon square root 3. What will get answer? 1 upon square root 3. So tan 30 degree we got 1 upon square root 3. Now here 45 degree, if you see 1 upon square root 2 upon 1 upon square root 2. Here is also same thing happen. So what will you get? 1 upon square root 2 multiplied by square root 2 upon 1. Square root 2 1 the square root 2. And 1 1 the 1. So we will get answer 1. Now here square root 3 upon 2. Same we have to do. Square root 3 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2. Again we will get same thing. That is square root 3 upon 2 multiplied by 2 upon 1. So 2 1 the 2. We will get the answer square root 3. Now, one thing always remember, 1 upon 0, this value is not defined. Okay, so here we can write not defined. Okay, after this you remember like this. Then we will take the next values, cosec theta. What is the cosec theta? Now we have learned cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Is equal to cosec theta, like this you have to remember. So now first value you will get here 0 upon 0. What will you get the answer? Cosec theta. Here one more thing. If you learn like this, now what is this? Not defined. You can write here not defined. Then next, what will you get the value? 1 upon sin theta. 1 upon so what will you get answer here? 2. What will you get answer? 2. Then 1 upon square root 2. If you go outside, we will get the square root 2. Here you will get answer 2. So you can write like this. Just one simple thing. Here you will get 2 upon square root 3. And here what will you get answer? 1. Okay. So like this we have written cosec theta as well. Now we have to write the sec theta. We learn already sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta like this. Okay. Now what is the your cos theta's value? That 1 upon 1, what will you get your answer? 1. Then now square root 3 upon 2. You will get it 2 square root 3. Now here one thing you can remember. Whatever we have written for cosec theta, that value will write opposite. Suppose now not defined here, here is the 1 right here. 2 upon square root 3 here. Then this square root 2, it will be as it is. Then here you will get the, and here you will get not defined. So like this you can write its values. Okay. Now cot theta. Cot theta means what? We have learned 1 upon tan theta is equal to cot theta. 1 upon tan is equal to cot theta. Now here we got this is not defined last. Just write the opposite of tan theta. Just write the opposite of tan theta. So what will we got? First one not defined. Second, what will we get here? Square root 3. Now what will we get here? 1. 1 upon square root 3, and here you will get 0. Now here you can remember this table very easily. Just learn the values of sin theta. At once you learn sin 0 value 0, sin 30 value 1 upon 2, sin 45 value there 1 upon square root 2, sin 60 value square root 3 upon 2, and sin 90 value there 1. Right opposite for the first thing. 1 square root 3 upon 2, 1 upon square root 2, 1 upon 2, and 0. Got it? Then next, what is there? Tan theta is equal to sin upon cos theta. Remember the formula. Okay. Then here we will take, suppose 0 upon 1, 0. Now when we will take this 1 upon 2 upon square root 3 upon 2, if you see I shown here, you will get 1 upon square root 3. Now it is the both are the same numbers, so we will get the answer 1. Here also same now, square root 3 upon 2, 1 upon 2 will get the square root 3. It will be 1 upon 0 value, not it defined, so we are writing here not dependent value. Okay. Now when we have to write the cosec theta, what we have to write? Cosec theta. For cosec theta we know the formula, that is 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta. So what is your value? Now 1 upon 0 not defined. 1 upon 0 not defined. 1 upon 1 upon 2, what will you get? 2. Then if you take 1 upon 1 square root 2, we will get the square root 2. 1 upon square root 3 upon 2, just do the vice versa. Just change the denominator and numerator there. We will get 2 upon square root 3, and 1 upon 1 we will get the answer 1. Again, we will see for the sec theta. Sec theta's formula we know 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. So here it will see 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon 1, 1. 1 upon square root 3 upon 2, just change the denominator and numerator, you will get 2 upon square root 3. Here 1 upon 1 square root 2, so we will get the answer square root 2. Here 1 upon 1 upon 2, we will get the answer 2. And 1 upon 0 again we will get the answer not defined. And last one, cot theta. We know the formula, cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So just you can write one simple thing, vice versa of this. You have started from 0, 1 upon square root 3, 1 square root 3 and not defined. Just this value write like this. You will get your final answer. What is there now is C. It's same order, not defined. Written square root 3. Written here 1 as it is. 1 upon square root and 0. So like this you can remember a table, and at once you learn the table, you can solve any problem based on this. Okay.